What's going on, guys? Astro from Hidden Profits Crypto here. Before we get the video started, as usual, I want to give a huge thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel. We hit 439 subscribers. The last video I think I made, we weren't even at 400 yet. So thank you so much, everybody who's been watching and subscribing. You guys are great. You keep me motivated and want to keep making these videos. So thank you very much. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into today's video. So today I wanted to take a look at Skycoin. Skycoin is a coin that I actually have parts on the way to build a miner, which I will be making a video on that shortly, going over the DIY miner, how to do it and all that kind of stuff. It is quite a process, so and I am learning how to do it. So as I learn how to do it and figure it out, I will update you guys and keep you guys informed as well if you are interested in it. Anyways, pretty nice project here. It's not you know, a newer project, and it's not super small cap, but it is a project that in my opinion just needs way more attention than what it has. It has been around for, I believe, since like 2016, 2017. It's been around a while. It shot up, I think, to like $44 at one point in time per coin back in the 2017, 2018 bull run era. And since then it's kind of just came down. It's sitting around $1 or so, around $2 now. So I went ahead and pulled up the coin market cap real quick, and you can see we're sitting at about $1.47, and you can see that big pump up to around I see it was about 50 bucks. So since then, not really much, but it was down to around, you know, 50, 60, 70 cents, and since then has came up. So again, a project that has been around quite a while, but a project that I feel doesn't really just get enough attention. You can see there's not very much volume, and the market cap is only about 29 million, which might not be that great. But I definitely think this this whole project has a lot of potential, and let's go ahead and just get into the reasons why. So here you can click this link and buy Skycoin, or you can download the wallet. You can see that they've been mentioned from Forbes and Huffington Post, which is nice. So you can see here the Sky Miner. Now this is basically what I will be building, but you can build a DIY version instead of an actual official version, which they do sell, and I will go over if you guys are interested in that. Pretty interesting proposal that they have for people that decide to buy that. But let's go ahead and check out the ecosystem, and we're gonna just do a overview look at everything. So of course they have Skycoin, which was created as an answer to the shortcomings of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Born out of necessity, no other coin was fulfilled Satoshi's original vision of a fully decentralized digital currency. Skycoin's platform is free from centralization and manipulation through its revolutionary Obelisk consensus algorithm. It features CX, a Turing-complete programming language built from the ground up to allow hundreds of thousands of devs to easily deploy applications to the blockchain. Skycoin functions as a currency with virtually free transactions, soon to be implemented absolute privacy, and Visa-like speeds with inherent asset backed value, not based on speculation. Holding Skycoin generates coin hours, which are used to purchase services on the Skywire network and can be exchanged for more Skycoin. So I think it's really cool that they use this CX programming language, which lets you build other applications and stuff on the blockchain. Anyways, I think this has a lot of potential just because the coin has multiple use cases. You know, between the coin hours, which you use on Skywire and all that kind of stuff. But with that being said, let's go ahead and just get into what Skywire is. It's fast, doesn't suffer from throttling and any other service disruptions that you get from large internet service providers. It's private. This means that you can't be tracked as you browse, which is wonderful. Instead of paying money per month to be tracked by the internet service provider or the ISP, which then they sell your browsing data and stuff like that, which if you guys aren't aware, yes, they all pretty much do that. The Skywire community will have internet service that protects their privacy. So this internet that they plan on building You know, they won't be tracking and selling your information and stuff like that, which is very good to, if you care about privacy, which you should. Very important. It is incentivized. Skywire will develop to be a wireless mesh network, or a WMN. Users can earn both Skycoin and coin hours for running hardware nodes that provide both bandwidth and storage to the entire network. Users can then earn coin hours on content and other network resources as they choose. It's secure. It's created by users for users. Users dictate the decisions made on the network, and the network operates on a web of trust system where malicious nodes can be cut off from the main Skywire network via collective agreement of the community. So this is the main selling point for me here, because they want to create basically a whole nother layer of internet that would be, you know, a mesh provided by people running the nodes all around the globe. Kind of similar to like Helium or any of these other things where you're providing network and then they, you know, reward you with their coin. The fact that you not only get the coin, but also the coin hours, and like they said, you can turn the coin hours into Skycoin or whatever. Definitely really cool, and the main reason why I decided that I wanted to build my own Sky Miner. But we'll get into that more in a bit. All right, so let's see what Obelisk is. Decentralization in a centralized world. Obelisk was created out of the shortcomings of the proof of work and proof of stake algorithms. Obelisk can never be centralized by mining pools or manipulated by shareholders, meaning it is truly decentralized. Obelisk distributes influence over the network according to the web of trust architecture. Instead of miners, the network consists of nodes. Each node gets its own personal blockchain, which prevents and quarantines any potential bad actors. These nodes are substantially less expensive to produce, acquire, and operate than any traditional miner for Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you know, graphics cards and the whole market is absolutely shot at the moment. So unless you want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars and hope that you ROI by the end of this year, GPU mining is not really an option, in my personal opinion. As of right now. These features enable the algorithm to be run on budget hardware like Raspberry Pis, Orange Pis, things like that, in a substantial fashion without wasting electricity or consuming valuable natural resources. Centralization becomes possible when virtually anyone is able to operate a node. So this meaning that when there's so many people using these nodes to provide network, it can't be centralized because it's everywhere. This idea of, you know, the nodes and all this, and being able to mine on hardware that is a lot cheaper than graphics cards and things like that are the main reason why I like this. I built, or at least put together, a miner for a little bit under $300. Again, video coming on that in the future, but you can put together a miner for a decent amount of money. And I really like projects where you don't have to spend a lot of money to get into it, like Duino Coin, things like that on my channel. If you haven't checked that out, you should do that as well. But anyways, great concept. And then lastly, we have Fiber, an infinitely scalable network of blockchains laid side by side like strands. Each project hosted on Fiber gets its own fully customizable private blockchain capable of Visa-like speeds. Each strand added to Fiber strengthens the whole network and constructs the fiber of the entire ecosystem. Skycoin Fiber does not compete with first and second generation cryptocurrency architectures. It replaces them. So this plans on being the future of crypto. This plans on being above Bitcoin, Ethereum. I think the idea of having each project gets their own customizable private blockchain and all these blockchains linked together to create the whole ecosystem is a really, really, really cool idea. And I mean, I guess it's not really an idea. They're making it happen. So another reason to really, really keep an eye out and just pay some attention to Skycoin. I think one of the biggest things is the fact that this project has so much potential and people aren't paying attention to it. And that's where you want to strike, just like Dexy, which I have a video coming out about Dexio, which was the augmented reality project that we looked at in the past. We're going to be doing an update video on that. You know, projects like that and this and all these ones that are just, they have a lot of potential, but they're super under the radar. These are the ones you want to hop into, because these are the kind of projects that will just pop off like crazy. And then by the time you hear about it or something like that, you've already missed the train. So yeah, Skycoin definitely has a lot of potential. So if you wanted to take part in this without doing the DIY route, you can just go ahead and buy the Sky Miner. Now, it is sold out as of right now, which it wasn't not too long ago. So keep an eye on it, but I do think that that definitely means something. A month ago when I was getting into this, you could still purchase this. One of the most interesting things about the Sky Miner is that if you look down here, Skycoin rewards will be adjusted every month to equal 1/24 or $83 US dollars of the miner price. Every miner is eligible to receive up to 24 reward payouts provided uptime requirement for the network is made. Basically, if you buy this within 2 years, they will pay you back your $2,000 in Skycoin. So you will be guaranteed to ROI in 2 years. Now, as I said, it's sold out, so good luck trying to get one now. The DIY route is probably going to be the only way to go, because who knows? Because honestly, who knows when these will come back into stock? And they are a absolute shit ton of pieces to put together. I was watching a video and it's a lot of work, but I definitely think it's worth it. If you don't want to go the DIY route and you can possibly get your hands on one now, I would go for it. Lastly, their Twitter page is here with Telegram, Discord, Reddit, and GitHub. They have a couple Telegram groups that you can go in and ask any questions if you want, and they will help you out there. And then the Discord, you can check that out as well. Anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about Skycoin. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think, or if you're gonna possibly mine Skycoin. Like I said, a lot of videos on Skycoin to come in the future, so if you're interested in those, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the notification bell so you can get notifications whenever I drop a video. Make sure to follow me at hidden_crypto on Twitter so you can get updates there as well. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. With all that being said, that wraps up today's video. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, peace.